All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And if you guys feel encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, so you can turn on all notifications and you will be up to date on all chart analysis. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your recognitions to my efforts. I really appreciate that. Thank you for your support and feedback. So let's jump into this chart. So Sorrento has had a very bearish run for quite some time now. We're going into it for a couple of days, almost about to be a week and a half. And it's been falling before that, but from this point forward, it continued to hit newer lows. And here we are seeing Sorrento hitting newer lows within this month of September. You can clearly see how support was tested and it tried to keep itself up, but the bears definitely took a toll on it, bringing it down to newer lows. Let's go ahead and see what there is to pay close attention to for tomorrow based off of what the chart is showing us. So our support levels and resistance levels slightly changed, and here we are at new lows and new levels. The lowest point that it hit in the day, which is very important to keep in mind, was 675. I'm not saying that this could be reached again, but if it is and it gets broken through, this is going to be on its way to newer lows. And even if the bulls were to reappear and recover it from here, they're still going to be below the 50-day moving average. And I want to point this out first. The 50-day moving average is 766. So with the 50-day moving average being above the stock closing price, which it closed out at 720, 766 is a sign that we are in bearish territory. And as long as this stays above it, the bears are in control. The bulls are going to have to break through this to get back into bullish territory and even see themselves rally up to hit newer highs. So that's something to keep in mind. But before getting there and the 50-day moving average, there's a resistance level that the bulls have to break through first, and that's 739. If the bulls can break through 739 and turn it into a support, they could be on their way to work up to newer highs. Then they can start to focus on trying to break through the 50-day moving average. And if this gets broken through 766, the next step for the bulls would be 777. So I'd write that down. If this was to go in that direction, those are points of reference you may want to have for tomorrow and the upcoming days. 777 is the highest point of the day before the rejection. Now, it closed out once again at 720, and before seeing any of these highs, 739 needs to be broken through, turn into a support, and they have to continue to work their way up. If 739 gets broken through, that does not signify that the bulls have gained control or have any leverage, because they're still below the 50-day moving average. That turnaround won't happen until the 50-day moving average is crossed. On the other spectrum of things is what the bears want to do. They want to bring this to newer lows. They want to break through support, and our support here is 707. If 707 gets broken through, then the bears are pulling this further away from the 50-day moving average and bringing it down to newer lows. So I can't emphasize enough how important it is to pay very close attention if the support is broken through. And if it does, you want to see how quickly is it moving down. Is it quickly moving to newer lows? Is it kind of hanging out? Is there a chance for the bulls to reappear? You want to look at it on your 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute charts so you guys can zoom in and see what type of candlesticks are appearing. How long are they and big are they? Are they red, which means it's bearish? Are they green, which means that the bulls are starting to reappear? And you want to see who wins that tug of war if 707, the support, gets broken through. And how quickly is it moving to newer lows? Because the most important significant low here is 675. And if 675 gets broken through, this will be hitting newer lows, and the bears are just definitely dominating this one. This is going to be very interesting for tomorrow. Hope you guys learned something new. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And click the like button and let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.